STIs, also known as sexually transmitted infections. STI, venereal diseases, that is VD, and the reproductive tract infections, that is RTI. Now, infections or diseases which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called STI, VD, or RTI through the sexual intercourse. Now, common STIs are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, and hepatitis B, and HIV, that is AIDS. HIV, which is a virus that leads to AIDS. These are the common STIs, right? Now, these are the diseases. Now, there is a cure for these diseases, but infections like hepatitis B and HIV and genital herpes. So, except for hepatitis B, genital herpes, and HIV infections, other diseases are completely curable if detected early and treated properly. So, except for hepatitis B, genital herpes, and HIV infections, genital warts can be completely curable, but genital herpes cannot be completely curable. Now, some of these infections like hepatitis B and HIV, now how this transmitted, can also be transmitted. So, like hepatitis B, HIV can also be transmitted by sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments with infected persons, right? Transfusion of blood, especially during the blood sugar check, or veins where the transfusion of blood needed, or from an infected mother to the fetus, that is through the placenta. So these are the infections like hepatitis B and HIV. They transmitted by this sharing of injection needles, surgical instruments with infected persons, transfusion of blood, or from an infected mother to the fetus, like in placenta, through the placenta. Okay, so this was the STIs. These are the common STIs, right? Now, what are the prevention? So avoid sex with unknown partners, multiple partners. Then the condoms used during the coitus. So these are the sexually transmitted diseases.